friends, welcome to my humble homestead. Hi friends, so today I thought I'd use up some of my butter, some of my mozzarella, some spinach. I had bought this keto bread. I have a bread machine. I'm gonna learn how to make my own low carb bread, or at least use my wheat berries and make some healthier bread and when I do want some. But I thought I'm just gonna make a great brunch. I have some avocados. I'm gonna make either an egg scramble or an omelet with all these fresh ingredients, have a yummy brunch. And so I will show you how it looks, but this is how I thought I'd use up some of the stuff in my fridge. Every bit counts challenge. Let's get going. I think I'm gonna do enough for 2 days worth because, you know, when I'm cooking, I may as well. So I'm gonna do 6 eggs. I'm gonna add a little garlic, some salt, some pepper. I like lots of pepper in my eggs. Whisking up the eggs. I'll add a little bit of this buttermilk left over from making butter. Whisk it up. I'm gonna let that cook while I cut up my fresh mozzarella. Okay, so not a perfect omelet. I flipped it because there's nothing that I dislike really more than runny eggs. So I wanted to get the bottom done, so I flipped it. Now I'm gonna add some spinach. A handful of spinach there. I suppose I could have wilted the spinach first, but that's all right. It should steam and wilt. And then I'm gonna add this mozzarella. I could have shredded, but you know what? I'm not gonna. I'm just gonna kind of pick it into pieces here. Look at that. That's the mozzarella we made. It looks really good. But this is gonna be 2 servings of omelet, so I'm using that whole piece that was left over after I had it with tomatoes and basil. Ooh, basil would be good in here too. Do I have any basil here? Have a little bit of basil. Let's throw that in. Yummy yum. That smells so good. Okay, now I'm going to try to flip this closed here. Yeah, that's funny. So I'm just going to throw a cover over this and let this all ooze and melt and wilt together. And then I'm just going to cut it in half and have half today and have half either tomorrow or the next day. All right? That is my meal, y'all. Using all my fresh ingredients. Yum, yum. And I'm going to slice an avocado, so I will show you when it's finished. Let's make some chicken salad. I have some canned chicken that I need to use up that I canned up from last year. I have this leftover pasta. I've got a couple onions. Got some celery, got a half of a green pepper, some carrots, and I'm gonna try to put some of my zucchini relish in here. I do have a cucumber in there. I haven't decided if I'm gonna put in there. Otherwise, I do have these zucchini pickles that I think are delicious. I might eat these and add some more in here and make them. They're so good. I used this brine that I had. What did I make with this brine the other day? Oh, the zucchini relish. And then I used this brine and made some refrigerator pickles. And I think I'm just going to put some more cucumbers in here because they are delicious. So I am just going to make this up, see how it tastes, add my neighbors, dehydrated up some of their peppers. I think I'm going to add some of that in there and see what it needs. If I want a pickled egg in there, I might have that or on the side. I don't know. Let's try it out and see how it goes. Yeah, I'm gonna make this. I think I'm gonna cut the vegetables first and add the chicken last. I coughed all night last night. I was up and I'm like, I don't know why I didn't just get up and use an inhaler. You know how you're half asleep and you don't want to get up? That's me. So I just kept myself up all night coughing. I think finally about, was it 3:30 or 4, I just got up and I watched something on YouTube. Just some of there's some people that I like and some good messages on there that I like to watch too. So I was kind of getting my spirit filled a little bit. And then I went back to sleep about 7 and I slept till like 9:30. And then when I do that, I don't know about you, but I was like, I felt like I wasted half my day away. I was like, oh my gosh, what a waste sleeping in that late. But, you know, I'm glad I did because I would have just been really tired. These onions I already washed, so I'm just going to cut the ends off. The ends are kind of, the greens have kind of had their day already. I'm, you know, working on my fall garden. I ordered some elephant garlic. I'm going to try to grow some garlic this fall so I can have my own garlic next year. I'm super excited. Last year I bought a bunch at the farmer's market because I do, and I'm going to try to find some this year in the farmer's market because I like to infuse it in honey. I mean, that's just a great natural antibiotic. So I like to eat that, have that for the winter. And now that I started coughing and stuff, I know that another thing, I have my dried herbs and I could crush them up and make my allergy capsules. That could be, I mean, all these things that I need to do and I haven't really had time because, you know, it's garden season and harvest season. So maybe I'll just do one onion. That looks like enough onion in there. I don't have a lot, so. But anyway, for now, elephant garlic. That's where I was going. Yes, so for now I just use this garlic, which I have another big one that I got at Costco. That looks like I'm going to be opening the next time I need garlic. And what am I doing with this chicken salad? Honestly, I'm just adding what I have. I really have no rhyme or reason for what I'm doing. All right, so now that I got this stuff in here, I'm going to mix up this relish, this pepper, and some mayo and put the chicken in there. So let's see how that goes. And I want to save this juice. So let me grab I like to save the juice because if I do make any stir fry or anything like that, I like to use the juice from the canned chicken. This is really sealed good, you guys. There we go. I am just going to throw it in one of these. I'll put it back in the jar. But for right now, then we'll throw that. And then I'm going to put this back in the fridge. And I think I will make something with that this week. All right, so I'm just going to put some mayo here. I'm going to use a different spoon just going to add a couple spoonfuls of this relish. Just for a little extra flavor here. I taste it. Okay, so that's good. I'm going to mix up this chicken. So look at how easy this is, just having this canned chicken. And this is just a super nice, easy summer. Oh, I'm going to put a little bit of this pepper in here. My neighbors did this. Thank you to John and Penny. I'm excited. This was out of their garden. And then they dehydrate it and then they grind it up. And here I'm going to do some salt. So let's see how we are with this. So these are just, you know, when we preserve our food, it makes it so easy just to throw stuff together here. And this I'll have for the entire weekend. I mean, it'll be awesome. I'm going to put some black pepper in there. And I'm just going to mix this up good and give it a taste test and see how it is. And this is what I will have for dinner tonight. But there we have it. So I will show you it after it's mixed and on my plate, and I'm going to have it with some cucumbers. That is how I did an easy, quick chicken salad. All right, everybody. Thanks so much for watching. Be blessed. Have a great day. Bye.